Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DeWalt impact driver trigger isn't responding properly, maybe it's stuck, not engaging, or only working intermittently, it can make the tool difficult or even impossible to use. The trigger is a critical component because it controls both power delivery and speed, so any issue with it directly affects performance. In many cases, the problem isn't a complete failure, but something like internal dust buildup, worn contacts, or a minor obstruction inside the trigger mechanism. Since impact drivers are often used in dusty environments, it's common for debris to affect the trigger over time. Instead of replacing the tool right away, there are a few targeted checks you can perform to restore proper function. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix DeWalt impact driver trigger problems step by step. Try these. Step 1. Remove the battery from the impact driver for safety. Step 2. Clean around the trigger area to remove dust and debris. Step 3. Press the trigger repeatedly to check for sticking or resistance. Step 4. Inspect the trigger mechanism for any visible obstruction. Step 5. Reinsert the battery and test trigger response. Step 6. Confirm the tool runs smoothly with consistent trigger control.